how to set pictures in gallery as home screen wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here's a click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on wallpaper and style. So after click on wallpaper and style, so click on home screen. So after click on home screen, so if you want to change home screen wallpaper set picture, so click on wallpaper and click on gallery. So after click on gallery, so select picture from here. So after select picture, click on done. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone, so you will see picture is set on home screen. So that's how you can set picture in gallery as home screen wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.